Maintenance-free villa living just north of Fort Wayne and steps from the miles of Pufferbelly Trail. Let me show you 102 Elderwood Court. Now this is a classic ranch villa floor plan. Everything here is on one level. There's not a single step into or out of this house. Everything in here feels very elegant, from the updated light fixtures, the vinyl plank flooring, hard surface countertops, even the paint and the walls are just pristine and dialed in. Here we are in the primary bathroom with multiple windows. This place is flooded with natural light. And I want to highlight the storage of this house. Of course, your primary suite has a walk-in closet, but every bedroom, even the kitchen pantry, is walk-in here at this house. Now, being a villa lot means the community is taking care of your yard, but your yard is still large. Beautiful pond views facing west, so you get a great sunset over this water here. This entire neighborhood was built by Quality Crafted Homes. This is the very last lot in the entire community being built, so soon enough, you will have neighbors all around and this place will be ready for you to call home.